Today's product we got here, TBD30 3-bond engine conditioner. Works good on carbies. You can spray it straight down the guts of it while the engine's running if you take the air cleaner off, but today we're going to get rid of all this varnish, clean up these jets on this old monkey bike carby. Let's give it a crack. Let the magic happen. Here we have the finished product. We've got the bowl, brought out all that varnish, all that rubbish, all gone. Jets back in, looking schmick. Basically just soak that overnight and it gets rid of all that gunk, so works wonders. TBD30.